Horsebit bags are a style of bag that I've honestly wanted to incorporate within my wardrobe for the longest time, and finally today I have a beautiful bag that we're going to be unboxing and checking out together. I'm going to do a deep dive review on every single angle of this bag so you could get a full scope if you are thinking about possibly getting one of these. Now, I have the privilege of working with a company called Anyfashion, and they have basically sourced a lot of luxury goods at an affordable price. Their catalog is insane. Their options are amazing. They don't just have bags, they also have a lot of other accessories and goods. So I'm gonna link Anyfashion's information down below if you want to check them out. Anyfashion.ru is where you can find them. And I have the box right here. Honestly, I could not find this bag in particular on Gucci's website. So I have one right here that is very similar. And this is just like a larger version of the bag. So we got, I think this may be a small or a medium. Not too sure either way, we're gonna find out in a moment. And I'm super excited. So if you're interested in hanging out with me while I check out this bag, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. No fancy Starbucks cups today. I have my trusty little gym water bottle, and that's exactly where I'm going after I wrap up this video. So I also want to share with you my OOTD. So this is very simple. Just have on these shorts, little brown slack shorts, obviously, paired with this brown belt, which I feel like is gonna go well with the bag. This 𝗂𝑔𝐶𝐒𝐈 tank. It's hot today, okay? So I just want to be comfortable and cozy. And I also will be wearing these Gucci sneaks. Yeah, that's a vibe. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get this box unwrapped. We are almost there. So I have never worked with this brand before, and I honestly, when I saw on the website, everything looks pretty promising. So I'm hoping this is an amazing experience. And so far, so good. Look at this Gucci box. That is beautiful. This kind of like maroony burgundy color is gorge. We love that. And it's magnetic, very sick. Now on the inside, we got, what is this? Okay, a matching Gucci shopping bag. It's cool if you want to put this on display in your closet, or maybe if you want to gift the bag also, it's pretty cool. Some Gucci ribbon to match, very sick. And there's some things in here that looks like this is kind of like authenticity, all that fun stuff. A little booklet, very cool. Like how everything's kind of like monochromatic, that's very neat. So I got that. But of course, the main attraction, I'm gonna be honest with you, this is definitely quite tinier than I was expecting. So hopefully the bag at least fits my phone. That would be nice. Ooh, it is a cutie. This is very tiny. Oh my goodness, I was not expecting it to be as petite as it is, but nonetheless, this is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. You know what I'm gonna do? Looks like there's some protection on a lot of these pieces, which is amazing. That means basically Anyfashion wants us to make sure we receive this product in mint condition. So we gotta appreciate that. Make sure we acknowledge. Even like the hardware right here is wrapped up, which is amazing. Nothing's gonna get scuffed upon transit. And I'm gonna make sure I get every single little cozy piece off, and then we'll do a deep dive. Gucci Horsebit bag in small, extra small. I'm honestly not too sure exactly what size this is, but either way, it is a beauty. The colors, the hardware, the canvas of this, it is literally just overall a gorgeous bag. And it's you know, it's obviously a luxury piece, but there's something kind of simplistic about it in a way that, you know, Gucci could kind of be, dare I say, tacky sometimes with how obnoxious they are with their logos and just branding. This has like the classic branding, but it's just done really classy anyway, that's what I'm trying to say. So let's go ahead and start with the front of the bag. Obviously you cannot miss that. It is just gorgeous. Immediately you're kind of like introduced to the Horsebit, which is what you call this right here. That is the Horsebit that kind of like makes the whole bag. It's gold hardware, which gold is typically not my go-to, but anymore I've kind of been like mixing metals, so I kind of like it. And this front is very, very sick. I have to say, like, the quality is amazing. Like, it's definitely up there. It feels heavy. It feels like there's craftsmanship put into this, and it doesn't feel like chintzy or cheap or anything like that. So we gotta make sure we appreciate. But of course the canvas is the GGs everywhere. But ultimately it's this shade of leather that kind of like drew me to this piece. I feel like this is just gonna go with so much. It's timeless and it just looks rich. You know what I mean? I absolutely love the front. There's really nothing that I can say about this that, you know, I don't like, other than the size. I wish it was bigger, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, the back of the bag, it just basically continues, but this is just completely the canvas right here. Again, absolutely gorgeous. The colors that are incorporated are just beautiful, and I love every detail about that. Even the stitching is just perfection. The side of the bag is basically, I mean, that's the side. That is what the sides look like. There's really not much to it other than it's the brown leather, and the stitching you can make out as well. Nothing too crazy. The bottom is pretty much the side continued, and it's kind of like it's a circular type of shape. So that's what we got. I feel like this is, I'm never gonna use this as a handbag. Honestly, I'm never going to just walk around like this. I will most definitely lose this piece if it ever was to do something of that nature. So you will never see me just like, hi, without the strap on it. So, yeah, no way. The handle is gorge though. Look at that handle. Do you see that? It is just that brown leather. We have the hardware up here, which is gold. And I like how it kind of like continues the Horsebit vibes on it. There's something about it that just really complements this piece super well. And obviously these little holes are for the strap, which we'll put on in just a moment. Let's check out the inside though first, because I have been wanting to check that out. Oh, so the inside looks like there's kind of like a little thingy. If you can make that out, you push and it unlocks. So once this right here goes in, it locks. And then, boop, that's how you open. Super easy. But the interior, it's honestly like not as small as you may think. And I love that color. We do have the Gucci branding right here. And also there's a little bit of branding if you can make that out on like the wallet part and so on the side. I will never just be using that as a wallet, by the way. That's gonna be like a little compartment for who knows what the heck can fit in that, but that's the inside. Yeah, it's a humble bag to say the least. Like, I'm not gonna be bringing all my goods with me when I wear this, so I most definitely will be editing what I bring along with me on my journeys with this bag. Let me put on the strap though, because I feel like that's gonna just be the cherry in the cake, cherry in the pie, whatever the saying is. This is the strap. It is the brown leather, gold hardware as well, and some of the hardware does actually say, if you can make that out, GUCCI. And this is a really interesting clip. So you actually go like this, and that's how it hooks on. I like that. And thus we have the bag with the strap on it. Look how gorge. I have not tried this on yet, so hopefully it doesn't look too ridiculous on me. Oh no. That is very good looking. Actually, like now that it's on, it's quite the nice like day bag. You know what I mean? Like if you have some things to do and you don't want to be weighted down with a big bag, this is actually a pretty good size now that I see it on the fit. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. This is beyond. Okay, Anyfashion. Let me go ahead and just give you my final thoughts. I am extremely pleasantly surprised with how this whole experience came together. Not even just the bag itself is great quality and beautiful and feels luxurious, but the entire experience, from the gift bag to the wrapping, all the box, everything that really this came with provides you with nothing but a luxury experience. So I highly recommend checking them out. And again, all of Anyfashion information is listed down below in the description box if you want to check them out yourself. And I am just super thrilled with how this came together. I do a lot of videos when it comes to talking about deep dives on bags, goods, luxury pieces, and companies such as Anyfashion, and I have fun with really helping people find luxury on a budget. So if you're into this type of thing, give me a follow, subscribe to the channel. I would love your company. Click the notification bell because that's going to notify you when I upload new content. So if you want to stay in touch, that's a great way. Also my Instagram @StrauGeorge is where you can catch me on Insta, and my social medias are down below in the description too. So that's where you can follow me. But until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.